Hey y'all! Hey y'all! Hey y'all, it is me, Xureila, and I'm back with a motherfucking video on my motherfucking channel. So today we are going to be eating some good old Renegade Whole Lotta chicken wings. Renegade Whole Lotta chicken wings.
Renegade Whole Lotta chicken wings. Mukbang, mukbang.
Mukbang, mukbang, Renegade Whole Lotta chicken wings, Renegade Whole Lotta chicken wings, mukbang, mukbang.
I'm a mess, but anyways, excuse the way I look right now, but I don't care. We're gonna get right into this motherfucking food, y'all. I'm so excited. I got me some Wingstop wings. I got 4 different flavors. It's a whole lot of chicken wings. It's 20 wings. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all these, but I got Parmesan, I got Cajun, I got, and y'all see, y'all like my new little mukbang setup. I got Louisiana rub, and I got lemon pepper. They look a little crusty dusty, but it's okay. They're gonna be delicious, okay? So I really don't know what to talk about in this video. I probably won't be doing a whole bunch of talking. I'll just be eating and enjoying my food, because these mukbangs, it's not all about the talking. I'm talking to the new people, to the mukbangs. You ain't gotta talk that much. You could just eat, okay? But I did ask y'all to ask me some questions and give me some topics. What the hell is that? Green stuff in my ranch and my sauce, but I gotta dip my stuff in my sauce all the time. Every second. I'm gonna put my sauce right here so y'all can see it. Y'all see the sauce a little bit? Okay, so we gonna taste this Cajun. I already had Wingstop before, but I need a mirror. I need a mirror so I can always look at myself, because the camera is far away now. This ain't lip gloss, this is chicken grease. But I love my wings drenched in drenched in this ranch. Wingstop ranch is so freaking delicious. If y'all haven't had Wingstop, what are you doing with your life? Also, if you're new to my mukbangs, well, I only did one other one, but if you're new to mukbangs or whatever, I do smack and I eat messy. So you ain't gotta watch it if you don't like messy eaters, you know? So that was good. I'll keep the bones down here. And this is a Parmesan one. Ooh, I haven't had Wingstop in so long. Sorry if y'all hear like the cicadas in the background. They're annoying. Y'all just gonna have to face it. I'm gonna have a messy face, okay? Y'all just gonna have to deal with it, because my face is about to be covered in ranch. Not my wings, but my face. About to be covered in ranch. Okay. Also, Wingstop fries are so freaking delicious. Wingstop fries are so freaking delicious. Let me show y'all. So I got these fries, and every time I get Wingstop fries, I tell them to put extra seasoning. Excuse my nails, but I don't know if it's gonna focus. But I got extra seasoning on these fries. They're so good. It's like they put sugar or something on it. They put like sugar and salt or something. Something sweet on these motherfucking fries. And then if you get fries, never get ketchup. If you get fries from Wingstop, don't get ketchup. You gotta eat these fries with they ranch. They ranch is delicious. And with these fries, it's just the perfect combination. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep on eating. Before I get to answering these questions, I just wanna taste every wing. And this is the Louisiana rub. My Parmesan cheese wings don't have enough Parmesan on them. So it really just tastes like plain wings, but these Louisiana rub ones, they didn't put enough sauce on them. They know I like extra sauce. They know I like extra sauce. They didn't put enough sauce in my motherfucking wings. Thumb down. So once I get to like a little bit of chicken left, I just peel it off and then dip it. Okay, so I've eaten 3 out of 20 wings so far, and I'm getting full. I'm not gonna lie. I get full so fast, y'all, but I keep eating because it be too good, and that's how I gain weight. But anyway, ooh, a great ass combination. A cold ass, just got out the freezer ass water with some Wingstop. Delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the questions and see what y'all asking me. Okay, so obviously y'all asked a lot of Sims questions because I am a Sim channel, but y'all, I got a wrench in my hair. I told y'all I was messy. Got a wrench in the hair. But yeah, it says when did you start Sims? So I started my Sims channel in 2015. 2015. No, I think 2013. What I'm talking about. I think I started my Sims channel in 2013, and I was playing Sims for about 4-5 years before that. Cause I used to play Sims 2. I barely played it. I played Sims 2 on my computer, but on my PlayStation, I played Sims like freaking crazy. Like at first I started off with just on my PlayStation, playing it on my PlayStation. I never knew that they had like it for the computer. And ooh, this the lemon pepper. So good. But yeah, I was playing on my PlayStation. It was so fun. I had The Sims Castaway. That was like the best Sims game for PlayStation. I had The Sims, the regular Sims one, where you start off in like your mom's house, I think, something like that. And they were so freaking fun. But yeah, so I started playing Sims like, I basically already said it, 4 or 5 years before 2013. I just keep getting rings in my hair. I'm gonna be walking around, people I'm like, bitch, you smell like ranch. You smell like Wingstop. They're gonna be specific with it too. You smell like Wingstop ranch. But there's a relationship question that I'm not gonna answer because I'm gonna save it for another video whenever me and my baby do a video together. There's a question that says, can you make a vlog channel? So I did make a vlog channel. Let me eat this first. Shit. This shit's so damn good and I'm so damn full. I ate 5 wings, y'all. It's a shame. Okay. So I did have another channel. Y'all know the channel that comes on like at the end of my videos. The second channel. And I uploaded like a makeup video. So I did have that channel. But I'm just gonna stick to just putting everything on this channel. I just want to do whatever I want on this channel. I never said that this was just a gaming channel. Obviously I started off gaming, but now I want to do more than just gaming on the same channel. So yeah, I'm not making a vlog channel. If I do vlog, I'll be uploading it to this channel. Also, I want y'all to comment down below like some video ideas I could do other than mukbangs, because I honestly do not know what to do besides like vlogs. I know y'all want vlogs, but I honestly do not know what to do as far as sitting in front of the camera making a video for y'all. I don't know what else to do other than mukbangs. So I want y'all to comment some video ideas. The best wing is probably the Cajun one. It's like original hot but with some Cajun seasoning. Real good. The lemon pepper rings good too. They sour. Okay, we're gonna have to open up another sauce because we ain't got enough in this one. I need to have me a big juicy sauce. I don't know what I'm talking about. So I can just dip it and it just all good. Ranch dripping or whatever. Just dripping. How can I find Poppy Santino? I'm so dead. Y'all remember Santino from Simself? He slapped the mess out of me. but he's not up for download. Someone actually made him. And I asked her, can I have him? So. Good question. Can you and Chrissy collab? We plan on doing a collab. Just know that. Merch. Will I start merch? I don't have no merch, but I do plan on making some merch. Like, comment down below if you will get you some Xureila merch. Let me know. Oh, remember y'all, this ain't lip gloss. This is chicken grease. I think that was a Vine. That was like the funniest Vine. Y'all remember Xureila got a whole lot of chicken wine. That came from one of my teen pregnancy videos. And I was like, if he brings you fried chicken, then you gotta know it's real. Because my boyfriend had brought me some cans, some fried chicken. And then from there, it's just always been relegating a whole lot of chicken wings. And now I'm doing the mukbang and I'm excited. Hopefully y'all enjoying watching me eat. Hopefully y'all is sitting eating with me. And we're just chilling together, eating together. I am getting so full. So this video is going to be coming to an end. Sorry I didn't finish my food, but this is 20 wings, y'all. Oh, I got a comment on my last video talking about some this may be your first mukbang, but you're doing it wrong. You're supposed to get the whole menu, not just one meal. Girl, who the hell is finna buy the whole menu? And who the hell got the money for the whole menu? And who the hell got the stomach and appetite for the whole menu? I'm not doing that. It's just not gonna happen. So if you expect to see a whole menu on my mukbangs, then sorry, boo-boo, you're gonna have to go watch somebody else, okay? Like, y'all are funny. Y'all are really funny. Okay. Okay. Another question is future plans. And I think that you're talking about my future plans for my channel. But my future plans for my channel is to be a gamer / lifestyle YouTuber that is known for her gaming videos. Just known for gaming and lifestyle, just everything. I did everything. And my future plans are, I'm starting up a new LP, y'all. It's going to be mainly about three teenage best friends and some other stuff. So I'm gonna need y'all to make some Sims. Oh my gosh, I keep burping. Hold on, let me drink some water. Oh, so good. Okay, so I am gonna need some Sims from y'all. So y'all can upload your make some teenage Sims, make a lot of boys, make some cute girls, make some cute boys, and upload them to the gallery using the hashtag XureilaTeens or the hashtag XureilaBS, okay? B as in boy, S as in salt. So use that hashtag. Alright, another question is, why do most simmers forget male clothing? That's a funny question. It's because we don't even be making male sims like that. It's just so hard to make like some fine ass male sims. It's just hard. So since we don't make a lot of male sims, we don't be getting male clothes. You know? Also, people don't even make enough male CC. Like, there's not enough hairstyles. There's not enough ethnic male hairstyles. So it's like hard to create males. Then it just results into forgetting to even get male CC. But yeah, y'all, I was just talking about a whole bunch of nothing. I'm gonna eat 2 more wings for y'all, but I'm so full. I'm gonna eat me Cajun because Cajun is the best. Ranch just dripping all in my hair. But yeah. Angel, my dog is making a whole bunch of noise. Oh yeah. So let me just tell you like my situation. So I have a dog, just one dog. Her name is Angel. I have a sister. I answered that in the last question, but I didn't tell you like her age or anything. Her name is Markella, and she is like 8 years older than me. And I do live with my boyfriend. We moved into a house. We moved into a house on January. I have a lovely, lovely, lovely mother that I love so much. She's the best. But anyways, y'all, my house, y'all, my office is getting so cute. It's getting so cute. The only thing that I need to get is a vanity. I think I already said that. I'm just repeating stuff from the last video. I'm sorry. I just need to get a vanity, and then I'll be able to show y'all my office because it's so cute. I love it so much. It has like a nice little vibe. One morning, we're gonna do a Louisiana hunt. Let me see how many I ate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so this will be my 9th wing, and I will have 11 left. I'm just gonna tear it off because I just want to dip it. Dip it in the sauce like that. I'm so full. Oh my gosh. I need to stop. I don't even want to look at this food no more. Do y'all ever like get so much food and just be so happy and so ready to eat? Then you just eat, you get so full, and you like disgusted with the food, like, ugh, get it out my face. Get that smell out my nose, move around. Food, move around. Cause I became disgusted with my food after I'm full. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, then leave a like and a sweet comment down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, okay? And sorry that I'm just smacking and trying to talk. But yeah, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video.